I will guide you through the prerequisites we need. Basic Python knowledge. Python installed. You can download it from the link in description. Text editor or IDE. You can also download this from the link in description. Curiosity and enthusiasm. Most importantly, bring your curiosity and enthusiasm for coding. This project is a great way to have fun while learning and practicing Python. Python concept we used. And learning materials for those Python concept. Everything is available in the description too. Alright, let's take a closer look at this multi-converter app code. Don't be overwhelmed, we'll break it down into easy-to-grasp bits. You can download the source code by clicking the link in description. Also, if you want to explore more coding projects, visit the link in description. Let's get back to our project. Co-converter functions. We kick things off with not one, not two, but 3 converter functions. These are like your personal assistants for converting lengths, temperatures, and currencies. Main hub. Now, let's move to the heart of our app, the main function. You're welcome to the multi-converter app. It's like stepping into a conversion wonderland. You're given options: length converter, temperature converter, currency converter, or you can even say goodbye and quit. Converting on demand. Based on your choice, the app calls the respective converter function. It's like having an instant conversion genie at your command. Bid farewell. If you're ready to call it a day, you can choose to quit. The app bids you goodbye and gracefully exits. Length conversion. Imagine you want to switch between meters and feet. We've got you covered. You choose the direction, enter the value, and boom, the app does the math for you. Temperature conversion. Feeling the heat or chill? No worries. Whether it's Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, this app can convert temperatures like a pro. Currency conversion. Heading overseas or tracking global currencies. This app transforms USD to EUR and INR, or vice versa, with ease. Wrap up. And that's a wrap. Your very own multi-converter app in Python. You're equipped to convert lengths, temperatures, and currencies like a pro. Once again, you can download the source code by clicking the link in description. Also, if you want to explore more coding projects, visit the link in description. I hope you enjoyed this coding expedition as much as I did explaining it to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give that thumbs up and consider subscribing for more coding adventures. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding and converting!